Doing good. And this, I'm thinking to harvest this kale. Usually I like to harvest kale and make it as a natural coloring. Like you use this kale, no, not kale, it's beets. Use the beets to color the food naturally, like the bread or what. It's really something. So it's really good. Organic. There's water there that's not really come off that adjustable thing there, so it's squirt like a pea. Okay, after this we will going to go okay, this is my high raised bed area, and there is that healthy carrots and also that onions, green onions. Okay, put this one in here. Okay, there is our harvest. Woo! And it's flooded. It's flooded here. Okay. Some flowers here, and tomatoes. I don't really know. It just grow here, one plant, and then have a big tomatoes or tomatoes, and I don't even know how to use it. There's more in here. I just let it grow here, and some of that it's in there, and I cut it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, I think that's all for right now, and thank you for watching, and have a nice weekend to you. Bye bye. Now what I'm gonna do, I don't even know how to turn this one off. Huh? Oh goodness, I don't even know how to do that anymore. It's been a while I didn't go live. Oh, oh good. I don't know what is happening in here. How to end this? Sorry.